ki khubor ka bate se TV lawan rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kum gajing bud dia ni gajing aipor wa shibana jo menteri ke tanak kampo iyeng kari Amit Shah kish phautli ke autonomous district council ha gajing lang ke bening kong ke blalong hanong ba shilong ha kash phautri unai lar ajar phausa ke thar committee ben kran ni gajing jing jai ben riu lom pe shong basa ha ke jala jo tha jo te lami ngi jong kari India ki chief executive member jo kish phautli ke autonomous district council Kibra poisha kani gajing lang ikin thup na ke HADC, ke GHADC, ke Bodoland Territorial Council, ke Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, ke Karbi Anglong Hills Autonomous District Council, ke North Kachar Hills, baga Chakma Hills Autonomous District Council. Hai gajing kran bakla pathai ko bor di melawai gajing lang, unong ilam jaga Tripura Motha Party, Pradyot Deb Barma, beruba penyai sing CM, ubri CM jo ke HADC, lepen pau baga Sorkar India, keriban Burom ya ke Jubanlak, bakla Khlei kenang pen urlong gajing dawa jang kipai riu lom.
Mentaka sengi yo ban ya don kene ka meeting kumba lami hakilat pathai khobor nadu mesin benai hadin ke jingilang jong baro spotli ki autonomous council hapo ka 6 schedule hadelhi ngilaya rai ngila shim ya ka sinjam hadin bala yo bani kendo ya union home minister jong kari India Amit Shah bat ban ai kijing pensngo ka jungi lingba ka jing tho memorandum na baro spotli ki autonomous council te habide ba katu ka meeting hadelhi nakalyang home minister ulah pentip shingi bahapo ka arpusan tarik uni benai August kamot shi benai kanthi on pendap no habide ba kani ka kam kabumut baha kani ka jing yakran la shim ya ka rai ban dan ya ka we ka committee nakalyang ka home ministry ba ngin ya kendu bat ni nakapor skapor ban ya pek yakini ki jenit ki jenat nikini ki benta ba her habai dei ba kani jing dawa ka jungi te habai dei ba kata nakalyang jungi ni sodai bandan sakawai patka jingelang ya ka bangila khot benta ka sngi kani ki shkotorik hangni po nong ba shilong te nakalyang jungi nga so ban penpau ka jing ai Khlei kerpang ye ba produce belong chairman jongka Tripasa nangta promote belong CM jongka Bodoland idan ru deputy CM jong Bodoland CM Jaintia nangta chairman jongka Garo Hills bat baro ki CM ki dan lang ni te ngila yakran sani bah habide kini ka kam te kani ka jing yakran mentak sngi ka long bet thik tang ban budin yak e ka bangi ladep pan yakendo ya Union Home Minister Delhi. Te but shwai kani ka arpusan tarik kumbala aiktian yangi lingba Home Minister ngin persyangkat bala ban yo ban yakendu biang sahisien but ki official hak ministry ban penbek habide kani ka memorandum ke bengilap ha. Te kabaar pat nakalyang jong kani ka meeting ngila shimru yakarai bandon yakawe ka committee ka ban Khlei ka committee ka bathmai ban Khlei yakanika jing yalong kawai ka jungi jing ateli jungi jong baro kini ki spotli ki autonomous council yakanika committee ngimpat ai kerteng henry lakshania hakini ki noilam bamenta ada ka ying hibrok kawai mene ngila shania bangin sa penbenai ka kerteng khamshibit te yamenta hakani ka committee la thung advisor iba produce de Burma belong chairman jong ka Triprasa nangta Saiway advisor iba Elwin Teron napo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council but labu chief convener yanga kum CM jong KHDC but convener pat nakalyang napo Mizoram labu ya M Laiko ibelong CM jongka Khlei Hills Autonomous District Council but Saiway pat convener they promote Burom belong CM jongka Bodoland Territorial Council but ni dan shpongut ki members haganika committee iwe de napo BTC Ranjit Basumatri nangta Himanta Larma ide MDC jongka Khlei Chakma Autonomous District Council nangta Mr. Delson MDC jongka Mara Autonomous District Council nangta Mr. H. Lam Mua nga Deputy Chairman jongka Khlei Autonomous District Council nangta i Abhijit Kro ide MEC jongka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council nangta ima Thombor Shiwat belong CM jongka Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council nangta iba Rakesh A Sangma belong Chairman HPC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nangta Samuel Changsan ibalong EM naka North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council di Mahasau nangta iba Tito Starwell Khan long LO jong KHDC but iba Purna Chandra Jamatia ibalong CM jongka Tripura Territorial Autonomous District Council lekin banya kenduk yangi te ngila suthu kakam kanya kumno but kumbala banlong let's say kila banwan ra baik haka next parliament session ke banwan let's say how ni benai telang Oktober dan November kita kidi ki benai ki bangi community let's say ba kinla pat ban table ya kan kabil kila ban suthu hadin mangila kenduk Delhi mention benai your union home minister ngi la bu ya ka jing pensau ka bajur how home minister badai ban shimkhiano ini kakam namar omdei tang balik nakawe ka autonomous council omdei tang naka KHDC naka BTC na kani katai henry baro shpotli ngila let dan nakaliang jong home minister ka ka bau la ai ka jingkular ka assurance ka long ba hapo shibnai onla ban pendap no ini kakam kabamut dan ke komiti ban ban pentikena ban finalize no ya baro hoi kini ki jingdawa ke jongi shwaban wanra pat ban table hapo parliament te kata di ka eka kubor ka bangyo.
We had a meeting in Delhi last month with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and we had asked him to honor the commitment given by the opposition and the ruling government that they will pass the 125th Amendment as soon as they come to power. So we met them, complete all of them. We were as one team. We went and all the 10 district councils met the Union Home Minister. And today is a follow-up meeting to ensure that whatever commitments given by the Government of India is honoured in a time-bound manner. Many times we have had lack of coordination amongst the indigenous tribals of Northeast, the native people of Northeast, and therefore our voices are not heard in a uniform manner in Delhi. So we have decided that if we speak individually, we will never be able to achieve whatever we want. So if we can combine our strength, our energy, and put pressure on the Government of India, they will have to heed to our demand. I don't see any reason why they cannot do it. The Congress party, which is the opposition, has agreed to support the 125th Amendment. The ruling government in its manifesto has said that they will implement the 125th Amendment. So where is the delay? Maybe the delay is because we are not speaking out aggressively and we are not negotiating our rights properly with the Government of India. So our effort will be to give maximum to our community, to our indigenous people from across the region. And the time has come for all of us to speak for our people rather than speak for our parties. That is the main agenda. They assured us that within 1 month he will form a committee and address our problems. So it is very important that we hold him to his word. He didn't give me that commitment individually. He gave it to all the 10 district councils. And now he has to honor the commitment. Otherwise, we will have to put pressure in our own way, which may not be the best, in the best interest to the Government of India. So I once again urge the Government of India to honor its own words and ensure that the rights of our people, the legitimate rights of our people, are honored. We are not asking for something. The Government of India has made special provisions for people in Leh Ladakh. They have made special provisions for OBCs. They have made special provisions for tribals. Our laws predate the laws made by the Constitution of India. If Narendra Modi ji can take a Sengal to the parliament and say he is honoring the Tamil culture, then why can our traditional systems, in Meghalaya you have Rongba Shnong, you have the Darbar, you have the Shnongs, why can't the Government of India give the same respect what they have given to the Sengal in the parliament? So the Government of India cannot have a two-pronged policy where you are respecting Ayodhya, you are respecting the Sengal in the parliament, you're respecting Sanskrit and Nalanda University, but then you're not giving enough powers to our own cultural thing, our cultural system. So the government of India has to be fair to the historical India and as well as our historical and our customary laws. The government of India has to make provisions for us.